Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about a state where we don't want to do anything, and that is laziness. In this busy life, taking occasionally lazy day is okay. But if you find that you are taking lazy days more often, then you will have trouble getting things done. Lack of passion towards your job, an overwhelming to do list, and even an underlying medical conditions are just some of the things that can interfere with your desire to get things done. You may have heard that human beings are quite lazy by nature, and that's true. A lazy person just wants to live comfortable and luxurious life and without working. He just can't use his physical energy. But due to this, we often miss opportunity just because it looks like work. So, what is laziness? When you are totally unwilling to do any work or any task that you find difficult, boring, or maybe impossible, this state is known as laziness. How can I stop laziness? Answer may not be as simple as its meaning. Some people may be more likely to being lazy than others. Even highly productive people can find it challenging to get things done sometimes. But laziness is nothing more than a habit of resting before you get tired. So, to overcome this state, first we need to know causes. Because to solve any problem, it is very important to know the reason. Lack of motivation. This is the first and most common reason for laziness. If you will demotivate yourself by saying that you can't do anything, this is impossible, and by many other kind of things, then you will not do any work and become lazy. Lack of motivation can be biggest cause of laziness, because when you are unwilling to do any work, you will find reasons to avoid that work. Next is no specific goal. If a person has no goals to achieve in his life, then obviously question arises that what work he'll do and why. And result is he'll definitely become lazy, because goals of life will motivate you to work hard for your future. Goals are the only real motivation to work and to achieve something. Fear of responsibility. People always fear to take responsibility because they think that they can't do anything and they are good for nothing. Anything goes wrong, they will have to face questions and they just don't want to. And that's why they are unwilling to work, and this makes them lazy. Fear of failure. This is one of the important reasons of being lazy. People are afraid of doing and failing. They just don't want to take risk and don't want to lose anything. They are afraid that if they will make effort, people will know that they are not good enough. So better not to try. But if you will not try something new, how will you know that you are good enough? And without taking risk, you can't do anything new. Indecisiveness. It means hesitation. Some people are unable to take their own decisions. They waste their time or even whole day without deciding anything. But taking decisions by your own for yourself is very important. But if you are not deciding anything, then you will not do anything, and this will lead you towards laziness. Distraction. When your attention diverts from your work towards something else, you are distracted. More you will get distracted, less you will focus on your work and goals. It is just like one gets distracted and other will work and achieve. Next is procrastination. When you postpone things or work or even your study, which you can do but you don't do just because of laziness inside you. Work is urgent or not doesn't matter. If you will do it on time, it is helpful for you. Delaying can only make things harder and cause laziness. Next is lack of self-worth. Believing in yourself is very important. But if you don't believe on yourself only, then you can't face anything. And this makes you more lazy and demotivated. Too much to do. When a person has a lot of things to do, brain gets confused and then they think that they have a lot to do but they can't do, and they don't even start, and this leads to laziness. Now let's see some ways to overcome laziness. Morning routine. Every morning a new day starts, just like a new page of a notebook. So you may have been lazy yesterday, but that doesn't mean today has to be same. By choosing a morning routine that will work for you, one that makes you feel awake, alert physically and mentally, and excitement to have a great day. And this will also help you to get motivated for your work and to overcome laziness over a long time. Next is get organized. Keep your home, workplace, or study area organized. This is a good way to get out of laziness. And if you are a student, then laziness is really harmful as it can lead to a lifetime of lazy habit. Next is start small. And as you are trying to overcome laziness, then you don't want to try all the techniques at one time. Instead, you should choose one and try it almost for a week and then check out how helpful it was. Then add another technique for next week. Next is positive self-talk. Negative self-talk can break your effort to get things done. Telling yourself that you can't do anything, you are lazy. This is a form of negative self-talk. You should practice positive self-talk. Instead of saying I can't do it, you should say okay, it's little hard, but I can do it. I'll give my best, and motivate yourself. Next is rewarding yourself. This trick will help you to motivate yourself as well as to overcome laziness. Whenever you will complete your work, reward yourself. Enjoy that moment. Focus on what you gain, not what you lose. And also focus on what you will gain from getting something done. Low energy can also lead you to laziness. So make some healthy changes like eat high protein food, avoid sugary and high fat food, exercise, have a quality of sleep, and drink water. There are some mental health conditions which can cause symptoms that you may mistake for laziness, such as chronic fatigue, anxiety, acute stress disorder, and so on. So, even after trying to overcome laziness, if you are having trouble finding the energy and desire to do things, then speak to the doctor. Laziness isn't always a bad thing. Of course, everyone deserves a slow day. I always choose a lazy person to do a difficult job because he will find an easy way to do it. This is said by Bill Gates. But this won't work for everyone, don't you think so? Laziness is nothing more than a habit. So to stop laziness can be a way to change your approach towards certain tasks and adopting some healthier lifestyle. So I hope this video will help you, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.